Hey there, Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today we're going over what is the best pressure for tamping. Let's get started. So let's jump right into the topic. It's widely debated in the coffee world, what is the best pressure for tamping? And to be honest, the answer is a little more complex than you may think. It's also an answer that's constantly evolving and changing based on our science. For most of the 10 years I've been a barista, 30 pounds of pressure was what we learned to manually tamp with. But now with innovation like the Puck Press Mini, we can go from anywhere to 20 to 60 pounds of pressure consistently each time. So this begs the question, what should we be aiming for each time? The basic answer is tamping is just one parameter of many variables that you use when pulling a shot of espresso. So it's certainly up to you and your espresso to figure out the right pressure of tamping. So in essence, starting somewhere between 20 to 60 is a really good place. When you go below 20 pounds, it tends to give you a really bad shot as lots of different things are happening within your portafilter, including the water pressure pushing it down, sometimes causing it to gush out, other times completely stopping. And when your pressure is too high, you realize that obviously you don't get any espresso out, which is a major problem. But nowadays in coffee, as we're straying away less from parameters and we're focusing more on just what the coffee tastes like, it really is just one variable in a sea of parameters. So my personal advice is to either start at the beginning with 20 pounds and work your way up, or just start somewhere in the middle, such as 30, and then you should be able to go from there and decide if you want to go up or down based on your specific results. Just like dialing in your tamper takes a certain amount of patience as well, and a lot of different taste testing. So try your espresso at all different types of pressures and figure out which one is best for you and that specific roast. To recap all of that information, basically what I'm saying is there is a wide range of acceptable pressures to use when tamping, and there's no golden rule for tamping that's going to give you a perfect shot every time. Though a good thing to do is just start in the middle or start at the beginning and work your way around until you find that right pressure. So starting out at 20 or 30 pounds is a good place to go. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on machines like this. After that, head on over to MajestyCoffee.com to find the Puck Press Mini and many more great machines. Our customer support team is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.